Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the MAKARTT Mermaid Couture Polygel kit, and I'm very excited to try this kit. MAKARTT has been sending me like kit after kit after kit, so you'll have to expect a lot of MAKARTT videos. Anyway, let's just get right into this video and open up this polygel kit and let's see what's inside. So here is everything you get, and already like this is a big kit. Like you get a lot of stuff in here. You first get the thank you note, you get the instructions. We have here a mini lamp. It just opens like this, and then you can click the top here to use it. We have a 100 and 180 grit hand file, a polygel brush, base coat and top coat. And before we get into all of this, underneath the kit you get some dual forms, and you also get the cord for the lamp. Next you get all these decorations, and you also get some butterfly glitters as well as some nail gems. And here are the polygels. Let's get swatching. The first polygel color you get is clear. Here is the next color. And the last color you get is white. So here are the three colors. The white is very white. I don't know if you could even tell, but it is very opaque and white. These colors are really making me want to do a regular colored ombre, just nude to white ombre. These colors are so pretty. So I'm gonna cure these in my nail lamp, and then we're just gonna get right into this nail set. All right, so here are my natural nails. I have not done this hand in a long time, so she's not looking that good. We're gonna fix that today. Yeah, let's just get started. We're first gonna start off by pushing back the cuticle. Next, I'm gonna go in with this circular cuticle drill bit. I'm just gonna work this around the cuticle. Just gonna push back the cuticle further so that it'll be easier for when I trim off the excess cuticle, and then also it's kind of getting some of that dead skin off of the nail plate. Now I'm gonna take my cuticle scissors and I'm gonna cut off any of this excess cuticle. Next, I'm going to trim off my excess nail growth. Now I'm going to take my hand file and I'm just going to smooth out the free edge. Alright, now I'm going to take my fine grit sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nails. So we're going to be doing some stiletto nails today, so I'm going to be using these nail tips. They are already nicely shaped stiletto, so I don't really have to do much. So to glue these nail tips on, I'm going to be using KDS glue, and I'm just going to put a drop of glue on each of the nails and glue the nail tips on. And I forgot to clean the nails before I glue the nail tips on. Okay, so here are the nail tips glued on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start reshaping. So these nail tips are nicely stiletto. These nail tips need a little bit of help, you know, to make the tips nice and sharp and just to clean up the shape a little bit. Another thing about these nail tips is that they're very like flimsy and thin, honestly. So they're kind of hard to file, especially since they're this long. So I make sure to not really like try that hard, just in case, you know, the nail tip might break off or something, because when I go ahead and put the polygel on, it'll be much stronger to file and I'll do more reshaping once I'm done applying the polygel. Okay, so the nails have been a little bit reshaped, and I'm just going to remove the shine from these nail tips. So here are how the nail tips look after they have been shaped and the shine has been removed. And I'm just going to go in with some base coat and put a layer of base coat on each of these nails. I keep forgetting to clean off the nails. I don't know. So first, before we put on the base coat, I'm going to wipe off these nails with some isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the base coat. So I'm going to be doing a regular nude to white ombre, and I'm just going to be adding these mermaid colored glitters, and yeah, it's going to be a pretty simple set. So we're first going to start off with the white polygel, and I'm just going to put a bead of this polygel on the tip of my nail, and I'm just going to smooth that out. And I'm just going to drag this white down into my nail bed area. Alright, so we got the white all smoothed out. And now I'm just going to be adding some of these glitters. So I'm just going to be picking up a little bit of everything and cutting it out on my nail. I'm going to be focusing the glitters more in the center and then slowly like put less and less as I go to the top. So that looks good to me. Now I'm going to cure it in my nail lamp. And now I'm going to go in with the nude polygel and I'm going to put a bead near my cuticle area. Alright, so here's how the nail is looking, and I actually really like how it's coming out so far. So I'm just going to cure this in my nail lamp. So I actually really like how this looks, and I'm just going to be continuing the same thing on the rest of the nails. But on each nail, I'm going to be switching out the combinations of glitter I use just to make them look, you know, a little bit different. So instead of this moon one, I'm going to use this one. And then I think I'll be using this pink glitter instead of this blue glitter. So the first thing we're going to be doing is putting a bead of white at the tip of the nail. Alright, so once the white is all situated, I'm gonna go in with the glitters. Now I'm gonna go in with the nude bead. So I'm just continuing the same process on each of the nails. And honestly, I had a lot of fun doing this set because it was just like, I don't know, a nice simple set, and it turned out so well, which you'll see in the end. As I was like doing my nails basically and adding on the glitters, my sister came into my room, my older sister, and I told her that these colors, like, they're mermaid-ish, but it's like missing green, you know what I mean? Because mermaid colors is like green, purple, and blue, right? That's how I think mermaid colors should be. So these colors remind me a little bit more of unicorn colors, because, you know, unicorns pastel, pink, purple, and blue, and that's kind of what these glitters are. They should have added a green, or should have added more purple, so that would be purple, blue, and then added that green, because I think that green would have definitely made it mermaidy. That's just my opinion. I definitely think this would have looked so cute with the green in it. Besides that, I liked everything that came in this kit. I liked everything, worked good, basically what I'm trying to say. Everything worked good. The glitters are really pretty. Polygel texture is good as always. My favorite thing about MAKARTT polygel is that you could do the nails in one bead. Like, sometimes it's hard for me to do the nails in one bead because the polygel will like run near the cuticle area, so that's why you see me doing two beads most of the time. But if this was just a basic one color set, it would have been so easy to just do one bead, but obviously it's an ombre, it can't do one bead. But that's what I really love about MAKARTT polygel. It just stays in place so well. Anyway, besides the nail set, I know it's been a while since I've posted, and I hope you all will forgive me. I've just been really really unmotivated to edit the videos. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyway, I'm getting back on track. My schoolwork is pretty easy, so I need to, like, you know, time manage better, because I just want to do nothing. My schoolwork's been easy on me. I'm gonna get going with these videos. I have a bunch of kits to do. Like I said in the beginning of this video, MAKARTT has been sending me a lot of kits. I have a lot of kits to do by MAKARTT. I have kits to do for Model 1s. I got a lot of polygel kits to do. We'll see how good I do this month. I know I say this all the time, but I'm planning to get back on my schedule. Mondays and Thursdays. My birthday's this month. You'll be getting a birthday nails video. Okay, so here are all the nails after the polygel has been applied, and now I'm gonna go in with clear polygel and I'm gonna encapsulate all these nails because we did do an ombre, the structure is not okay, and there is glitter exposed that we need to encapsulate. So yeah, I know I haven't really updated about how the school semester is going. If you've watched my old videos before, you know that last school semester just kicked my butt. It was a horrible semester. This semester is treating me so much better, and I hope to any of you who had a bad semester last semester, this semester is treating you good, because oh my gosh, last semester sucked. This semester finally is like, you just know when it's a good semester, because last semester I started off the semester with bad grades. Like the first assignment I did, bad grade. This semester finally, like, I'm taking all my classes at my college, and I have good grades, so I'm pretty proud of myself. And the classes are like pretty easy, like really, like a little bit scary how easy they are, and I have a lot of time on my hands. I don't want to edit, and I don't know why. Yeah, it's kind of sad because I want to post so many videos, and like for Valentine's Day I only posted one video last month in February, and I had like a bunch, or did I post two? No, I posted one video in February, but I did 2 Valentine's nail sets. But I had so many Valentine's Day ideas. Like I bought like Valentine's Day kits that I wanted to do, and I didn't even do them because I just didn't want to do anything. And I'm so like disappointed in myself that I did that, because I just had a lot of stuff that I wanted to use, and now I have to wait until next year, or what? Like what? I bought 2 kits that I wanted to do for Valentine's Day, and I couldn't because I don't know what was wrong with me. I just didn't want to do anything. So that was really annoying. I'm annoyed with myself. Yeah, I want to post a lot of videos this month. So I'm telling you this so that I will stick to it, because if I tell you guys something, I usually stick to it. But we'll see. We'll see this time. Alright, now that the polygel has been applied and the nails are looking so cute, we're gonna go ahead and reshape these nails. I have my hand file and my MAKARTT dust collector, and I'm just going to reshape these nails. So if you guys are interested in this MAKARTT Mermaid Couture kit, I definitely recommend it. I think it is a really good kit, a really nice kit to have. The only things I would have added was a green glitter, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, I like all the polygel colors. I like how they're like simple colors, and then the color comes with the glitters, you know? They just should have had a green in there. They really should have. I didn't use that mini lamp in this video, but I know it would have worked. But the only thing also is, I don't know why there was butterfly glitters in this kit. I don't think there should have been butterfly glitters in this kit. I like the colors of the butterfly glitters. Colors of the glitters were unicorn, and then there was butterfly glitters, which I don't think there should have been butterfly glitters. But anyway, yeah, that's just my opinion. I like the kit, and I would get it to have all these glitters. So if you guys are interested in this kit, all the information for it is in the description. I really like the kit. I think it's good. It just doesn't really fit the name of Mermaid Couture, you know? Alright, so here are how the nails are looking after they have been shaped and filed. So now we are going to be adding some gems. And now I'm going to be taking some top coat, and I'm going to be painting top coat over this rhinestone gel. Going to finish off this look with some top coat. I'm just going to go in with some Dipped and Dusted Nails cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I really love how these nails turned out. They are so cute. I like something so simple as just adding some glitter into your ombre can really change it. I just think they're so cute, and I love all the shapes of the glitters. I love how there's moons and stars and hearts. I think that's all so cute. But come on, there should have been a green glitter in here. Would have just took this set to the whole next level of mermaid. But yeah, I really love this set. As you can see on like the tips of the stilettos, they're like clear. I don't know what I did. I don't know, the clear just went over the white, and yeah, it just had, now I have clear, tiny little clear tips. I don't know. I'm gonna be back on track with my upload. Editing this video was not that hard, so I need to tell myself like editing's not that hard. I need to get on with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want to see next, what nail sets you want to see next. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.